Stop lighting your cash on fire with those overpriced, toxic chemical bomb air fresheners right now. Seriously, they are a total scam. This one-brain, meltingly simple hack is about to make your entire house to smell exactly like a luxury billionaire's mega mansion instantly. All right, here's the master plan. Grab a lonely lime and slice it twice. First, I'm gonna cut it like this, but don't cut all the way through, all right? Keep it attached at the bottom. And now let's go to here like a cross. All right, great, and now let's do the following. Take a little container and put the lime in like so. I'm prepping 3 of these bad boys because I'm gonna show you 3 variations, okay? So after that, now you need coarse salt. And we're gonna use only 1 tablespoon here. So go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Give the other 2 limes the exact same love. All right, now guys, we're gonna need alcohol. This one I'm using is 46%, but the heavy-duty 90% works even better. Time to drown it in 3 tablespoons. 1. 2, 3, 3, and same thing in the other ones. 3. Same deal for the other targets. And boom! Option number 1 is ready to roll. If you dig that zesty, punchy citrus vibe, toss this baby straight into the bathroom or on a shelf in the living room, and it's gonna smell very pleasant. All right, so now on this other one, I'm gonna use fabric softener. Just splash in half a capful. Use whatever cheap or fancy brand you want, but if possible, use a concentrated one. Otherwise, the smell will just ghost you. So let's go ahead and add a little fabric softener here. Let's drizzle a little softener right here. And in the last one, I'm gonna use cloves, all right? Because in addition to the smell of lime, this creates a literal force field against bugs because they don't like the smell of cloves, especially blood-sucking mosquitoes. Perfect. Just stab some cloves in there and boom, done, folks. And here I like to leave them around the house. This fabric softener one goes into the bathroom. This other one, I like to leave it in the living room. All right, so it's gonna leave a very nice smell. That fabric softener is magic. And the clove shield one, right by the window, as this will help to keep mosquitoes out of the house. All right, so that's it, folks. Try it at home. Your home and your wallet will thank you. Just 1 single tablespoon will obliterate your ant problem. Once and for all. First, dump some warm water into a bowl. Toss in half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Splash in about 3 ounces of aggressive vinegar. Add half a teaspoon of festive cinnamon and a whole teaspoon of fiery chili powder. Stir this crazy potion well and strain it out. Pour this liquid weapon into a spray bottle and blast the zones where those tiny freeloaders crawl. The chaotic stench of this mix will make them pack their bags and ghost you forever. Better smash that save button for later. Burn some cloves to mute the haters and gossipers, while manifesting pure luck, cold cash, and real friends. Torch some bay leaves to deflect any bad vibes or hexes, and instantly delete your anxiety. Burn garlic skins to blind the jealous haters looking at you. Pro tip, if you do this on Friday, the money gods will allegedly bless your wallet. Burn cinnamon to spice up your boring love life. And if you pull this off on Wednesday, get ready to summon absolute prosperity. Did you know that a random piece of bread at home can become a weapon like I'm doing right here? Just shove some literal cement inside, and you can solve a massive nightmare that is currently haunting everyone's house. First, grab a sad, rock-hard piece of stale bread. Now, take a cheese grater and aggressively shred half of it. Boom. Half the bread is officially obliterated. Time for the secret sauce. Dump in 2 tablespoons of cement. And as you can see, we just turned that ancient bread into fine crumbs. Though, if your house is a literal zoo, definitely double the dose. Finally, add a tablespoon of baking soda and stir this chaotic mix together. For anyone wondering what the heck this is a deadly, homebrewed poison for roaches and rats. But it's a total death sentence for roaches. Here's the science. They get baited by the delicious bread smell, stuff their faces, but they're actually swallowing cement and baking soda. Together, these ingredients create a chemical bomb. their stomachs can't handle, so they go bye-bye. Just spoon the mixture into tiny lids and scatter them around the house, especially where those tiny demons like to party. That's why I highly recommend you try this out. It's gonna solve your pest problems for real. Place these traps in strategic spots. I'm 100% sure you'll thank me later. God bless y'all. See you tomorrow. Now, drop a dishwasher tablet into your toilet tank and unlock a whole new core memory. That little pod destroys gross buildup, erases limescale, and kills ugly odors. Splash in a capful of fabric softener, along with some drops of essential oil. Give it a flush and enjoy that premium freshness and a squeaky clean toilet bowl. Just drop it in there and let it cook. You'll never rage throw your old silver away again. Check this out, people. If you have crusty silver at home like chains, rings, or jewelry looking like absolute garbage, these actually belong to a buddy of mine. They were rotting away at his place, and he was literally about to chuck them in the trash. But I intercepted and rescued them. Now let me show you how to resurrect them. First step, get some water boiling. Just enough to drown our dirty silver pieces. Then throw them straight into the hot jacuzzi. All right, next we need some toothpaste. But listen closely, it has to be basic white paste. None of that fancy colored gel stuff, okay? Squeeze a little bit into the mix. No need to overdo it, honestly. This small bit will do the trick. Now give it a good thorough stir, so the toothpaste fully dissolves. Once the toothpaste has completely vanished, we're adding some baking soda. For this step, we only need 1 single tablespoon of it. All right, folks, it's gonna foam up and react a bit when you drop it in. But don't panic, it's totally normal. Just keep stirring until the fizz calms down. Now hit it with some regular salt too. About 1 tablespoon. Give it another aggressive mix. And finally, we need a sheet of aluminum foil. Doesn't even need to be a massive piece. This size is perfect. Toss it right into the soup. Let's stir it a little more. Now let it boil for 5 straight minutes. Once the timer hits, kill the heat. And let it chill out for a minute, all right? It's finally safe to touch now. And as you can clearly see, the water turned completely nasty, which means our silver should be clean as heck. Look at this, guys. Look at that insane difference. It doesn't even look like the same jewelry, does it? Let me fish the other one out. Can you believe my friend was gonna throw this out? It turned out absolutely gorgeous, honestly. I'm gonna give them a rinse and dry them off, then show you the final results. And here we go, clean and dry. Wipe them down with a paper towel and look. See how they're blindingly shiny again? Wild to think people just throw this stuff away. Purely because they don't know this hack. They probably think it's broken beyond repair. So if you have some crusty silver lying around, don't trash it, people! Try this exact recipe right here, because it actually works like magic.